Hello! Today we are going to make a little turkey display. And with that said, let's get started. I already put some of these little 99-cent little bling blings under here to help it stay so it won't wobble off while we're working with him. I'm going to put another one right on here. I think it needs to go over here. And there he is. Now he won't wobble. Okay, working with thing out from Holly Lobby. I picked some of these off a tree the other day. We got a pumpkin, we got a little acorn, and a pine cone. And we got some bling blings in the 99-cent store. With that said, let's get started. First, I'm going to stable that down. We're going to get some of these. And we're going to glue them on the back. Get your little glue gun. Put some of these guys right here. I'll twist them instead to kind of stay firmer. So. I'll put this guy kind of in the front because it's going to be the back of the turkey. I think I'm going to bend this one too. And insert them in the back. There's the pine cone. Out. I'm going to get another one. Kind of bend it. Okay. I'm going to put another one right here. That's not... Yeah. There we go. How's Mr. Turkey doing? Then we're gonna put some other guys on here. We got like 3 more. We like to put them out here, way out here, so it can be all just shining. It's the turkey. Or we could just put a little glue. These guys stuck. There we go. Ay. Then we'll take another one. And we'll put him. How's he looking now? Step back, visualize. We'll take this one. Get some more glue in there. Yeah. We will put him over here. Look at him. He's shining. Put a little glue right in here. Knock it with the other guy. Ay, that's hot. These webs. Looking pretty good, huh? Pretty good. Okay, next we're gonna get some lower ones. We got some browns. We're gonna put some browns in here. I think we'll just put them in the lower case, like this. Twist them around because I like to reuse my. I'll just put some glue. We'll stick this little guy in here. There we go. Ay. I think I need to go a little more. There. A little brown. Beautiful. Then we're going to take another one. We'll just put one more on this side. Even it out. Make it look unique. We're going to put him right here. Yeah. Uh-oh. You said unique. Okay. Let him dry a little bit and I'll push him back. We got some more right here. I think we'll put this one right up here. So, like that. There. Okay. And how's that looking? Beautiful. Okay, this is going to be the turkey. Oh, he's going to, I think I'm going to have to glue this right here. There. And we're going to have this one on the side, like it's his wing. Okay, so we're going to attach that one right there. Attach the wing right there. I think a little bit down. That. How's that looking? Okay. Now, that done. We're gonna put this beauty on a display so we could really see it. Okay. So we could see the colors better. Let's set him up here on this pedestal where he could just be seen. Celebrate with everybody. I got this from Hobby Lobby. I think I'll turn him. I better turn him right here like it was. Let's show them some of the peach. I think I'll put him right here. Turn him right there. I'll get some of these guys going right here. Got these over at the center I go to. You find a lot of interesting flowers and leaves outside during this time. Use them for your creations. Okay, we'll just put some more glue right there. Oh yeah, I don't want to touch that. There. There. And then we're gonna get our famous little pine cone out. We'll put him right in here. Another pumpkin here. There it is. Our turkey. Got some using some on the bottom. Some acorns, nuts, and there it is. My Thanksgiving turkey. I wish you could see it better. Maybe enough. Oops, excuse me. There we go. Thanksgiving turkey. There we go. It looks better like that. With that said, hope you like it. The display. Put it on your table. Little turkey. Looks so beautiful. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, subscribe. Happy holidays.